You start to get a good dialogue going, and you know that this person, this company, this group is absolutely an ideal candidate for you. You want to work with them so bad. And then they tell you, hey, we're already working with your competitor. We're good with that. We do that internally, whatever the reason is that they give you. Let me tell you what everybody in sales does when we're faced with that. No, we're good, right? We don't need a CPA firm. We're good. We don't need a social media director. We're all set. We're working with somebody else. We don't need accounting services, whatever it is. We're working with somebody else. We've got somebody internally that does it. Here's what we do. We do one of these two things. Number one, we immediately get rejected. Oh, all right. Thank you. Thank you for your time, right? On to the next one. Oh, it's like the death blow. You don't do that. You're a professional, okay? But here's the second thing that a lot of people do, and you might be doing this right now, and this is just as deadly of a death blow. You get your ego involved, right? You can feel it. I know, because I make calls too. I can feel it in the pit of my stomach. My adrenaline starts to rush, and I'm like, well, wait a minute. Let me tell you how awesome we are, right? If you could just give me 5 minutes, I can tell you about what we're doing. We might not get that aggressive with them, but we start to kind of fight them and try and force our way in. Here's what I want you to do, okay? The next time you're talking with somebody, the next time you're on the phone with them or face-to-face with them, and they're like, hey, I just want to let you know I really appreciate it, but we're all good. We've got somebody inside that does our social media, or we're all set. We're working with another firm for our CPA services. I want you to go, totally get it. I understand. Hey, just out of curiosity, how open-minded are you, right? Just out of curiosity, how open-minded are you? They're not used to that, right? It's gonna hit them, right? They're gonna be like, I'm pretty open-minded. Perfect. Let me just send you a link. Let me send you something. Just take a look when you get some time. Fair enough. You're not gonna try and resell them, but what I want you to do when they try and slam that door on you, I'm all set. We're all good. We've got Salesforce that we're using. Makes perfect sense. Hey, just out of curiosity, how open-minded are you? Well, I'm pretty open-minded. Or they might say, well, what do you mean? Let me just send you something. When you get some time, take a look. Fair enough. It's going to re-crack that door open. I don't want you to do any other selling during that meeting, during that phone call, during that conversation, and just simply send them something, wait a week, and follow back up to get their thoughts. When they try and slam the door shut with you with, we're all good, I want you to maintain your calm composure, right? Be smooth. I got it. Makes perfect sense. Hey, just out of curiosity, how open-minded are you?